Hello everyone, I'm Arpine and I'm here to share with ABSR Stress Release for Business People course, which will start in October 2023. ABSR training is based on Rudolf Steiner's 7 practical exercises introduced in the lecture Nervousness and the Self. We'll have 9 weekly online interactive meetings with introduction of eurythmy and everyday exercises, which will awaken life forces of participants and strengthen them inwardly. Joint review and exchange of experiences, challenges, and insights. We will have weekly videos with short exercises and instructions for your own practice, and loving and attentive support and suggestions, of course. The participants will be able to share their experiences in the meetings and in between. The everyday exercises take no additional time because you simply incorporate them into your daily office or home life. As a result, the partaking people and companies will succeed in learning to manage stress and emotions, enhancing communication and relationships, growing their understanding of awareness and how it can affect their brain, mind, and relationships, finding out how to communicate mindfully at meetings and self regulate individually and as a team, acquiring enhanced work performance, preventing burnout, decreasing sick days, and improving turnover rates, and much more. To be able to register for the free info webinar of ABSR Stress Release course for business people, just follow the link that you see below. You will learn much more during the info webinar. Thank you. Bye bye. See you there.